Service quality in the hospitality sector in Nigeria can be inconsistent, with issues such as poor customer service, lack of trained personnel, and substandard facilities. But with proper monitoring by relevant agencies and adequate safety precautions, the challenges will reduce drastically. Those were the submissions of industry experts at a roundtable meeting between Lagos State Safety Commission and stakeholders in the hospitality business. Ayomide Ajigbe reports.
Stakeholders are of the opinion that if service quality will be improved, there should be investment in training and capacity building for hospitality industry personnel, coupled with constant monitoring to ensure compliance with global best practices.
Our core mandate is to sensitize people on how to upgrade their safety standards. Our core mandate is to ensure that safety becomes a lifestyle in the state. We're also proud to say that in terms of Nigeria, we're at the forefront of leading safety and being the only safety commission in the country.
The reason of this program is because across hotels in Lagos State, we believe that all staff should be trained on first aid measures, on how to deal with basic first aid emergencies in hotels across Lagos State, and kitchen staff should have a full understanding of hygiene and how to deal with food. Most of hoteliers, they're doing very well, but training is required.
As it is in other climes where sharp practices happen, some elements in the hospitality business do not comply to safety rules, and this situation is being handled by relevant agencies with stiff sanctions set to be imposed.
The Lagos State Safety Commission is empowered. They have the mandate to actually do this. So on a yearly basis, consultants or staff are sent to hotels to actually see what they are doing and inspect the building, carry out an audit of the building, and then where there are gaps, they actually advise the hoteliers to put them in place.
We expect them to submit their to register with the Lagos State government on our portal. We have a portal, www.lasgsafetyreg. All hospitality facilities are meant to register on this portal. They see the different type of businesses there. And when they register, we also expect them through their safety officers to carry out an extensive risk assessment and also submit a safety documentation.
With forums like this from time to time, there will be proper information and education on how best to conduct hospitality business in a customer-friendly and safety-conscious environment. Ayomide Ajigbe, TVC News, Lagos.
The Lagos State government has inaugurated its Health Insurance Scheme Summit, aimed at sensitizing residents on benefits of enrolling in the health initiative. The scheme also seeks to make healthcare affordable and accessible to residents. Iniolu Apopola has more.
Nigerians can now enjoy quality health care at a subsidized rate. As part of the National Health Insurance Act in 2022, which mandates universal health coverage for all Nigerians, the Lagos State government has joined hands to make healthcare affordable and accessible for all residents of the state. The governor of Lagos State, Babajide Sanwo-Olu, who was represented by the Permanent Secretary, Lagos State Ministry of Health, says the Social Health Insurance Scheme, also known as Ilera-Eko, would provide financial protection against expensive medical bills and emergency procedures.
You pay 8,500 or 40,000 something for a whole family, and then when something that costs 500, 800 comes, you don't have to pay out of pocket. So little hiccups happen, doctors will strike, other health workers occasionally also have displeasures with the system, but these are transient things that always get resolved.
While launching the virtual booth, he noted that Nigerians in diaspora are not left out, as they can register for their family members.
The virtual booths are to allow e-health, so you don't have to travel too far to see a health practitioner. You can go into that booth and you can talk to a healthcare practitioner and you can get treated for your illness.
Collective efforts have brought together.
Although the Lagos State Health Management Agency had put the deadline for enrollment at the 14th of July, only about 800,000 persons out of the over 20 million residents of the state have registered.
You can either go online and self-register via www.lashma.com. You can register from any of our divisional offices. We are in Ikorodu, Badagry, and so on, you can call our hotline, which is 0700 Iliraiko or 0800 Iliraiko. The informal sector is in the grassroots. Not all of them watch TV. They do radio, more of that. And then you have to go to them to pass this message.
With the removal of fuel subsidy, inflation of food prices, this is perhaps another way for the government to reduce cost of healthcare on its citizens. Health is wealth, they say. For Nigerians and Lagosians, as long as they are registered on this scheme, they can walk into the hospital and get quality medical care at a cheaper and affordable rate. Inyoluwa Kobola, TVC News, Lagos.